This is Anaconda Python distribution. So you just have to go here. I will post the link in the description. Make sure to visit the description as well. So you need to download it, and it will restart it downloading. So it's a bigger size and it depends on your internet speed. So just wait and get it downloaded. Then you can install it. So I'll meet you after I get downloaded. So it's already downloaded. As you can see here. I'm gonna open this. So it will see as you can see. You can run this. And then a pop-up dialog will be opened. So you just have to, it's a regular install. Let's hit next. This is next. Add a new apart environmental. Yes. Caching complete. Okay. And then just in a few seconds, it will reinstall the Anaconda package. It will reinstall in your computer. It will take few minutes. Just wait. It has not been froze. It is just taking its time for its installation. So just be patient. So after the installation, as you can see, it is completed. So just hit next. Hit next. And just uncheck this. And just finish. So the download has been completed. And after that, users need to see conda here. Conda console. Yeah, so Anaconda prompt. And as you can see, Anaconda prompt will be here. So after the installation of Anaconda prompt, you just need to hit some commands for the installation. Now, I will show what you need to install. So first of all, you need to install the Git. So just type this. And just hit enter. So make sure you have enough space for the installation as it will take a lot of space. So do you know the terms? Press Y and then enter. And it will copy. And it will copy the Git. And install the Git from the link. So it did say that it has been successfully downloaded. And it will be installing. So it's almost installed. And yeah, so the Git has already been installed. Next, you need to install the Anaconda. Hit this prompt. And then press enter. And then okay. So it's on the Anaconda version 3. As you can see, we've already installed the Anaconda. So it is creating a copy of it and then installing. So okay. Downloading repo, anaconda.com. So it's starting the package install. Hit next. Are you agree? Just me, or you can also choose all users if you have multiple users where you need to. Just click on install. Then it will be installing Anaconda. And it will take some time as previous. So, as you can see, I've successfully installed the Anaconda 3 as well. Hit next. We don't need to run it. So, it has also been installed. So, next step is to install the FFmpeg for merging the photos to videos. So, for that, you need to enter this command. That's same or it won't be installed. So, just pause the video. Hit this command on your screen and then press enter. Then it will be downloading the FFmpeg. As you can see, the process is still on progress. It will also take some time. So it's basically downloading and installing certain tools for the process. So just be patient. And you will be successfully installing. Just don't skip these steps. If you skip any one of these steps, then your FaceFusion won't be running properly. You won't be swapping any photos or videos. So after this, after successfully installing the FFmpeg, you need to create your environment in your Python. So, conda-init-all. Modified. As you can see, it has been modified. Then you need to create an environment in your Python. As you can see, 3 JavaScript accepted. Collecting pages. So, our environment named FaceFusion will be created. So, just wait some time. So, it's being loaded as you can see. So, it will hit a prompt. Just press Y to proceed. And then it will be downloading some packages for the installation process. And then done. Replying transactions. Executing transactions. And it will also be done in a few seconds. Yeah, so to activate, use conda-activate. To deactivate, just use conda-deactivate. So we'll be going to conda-activate FaceFusion. And then, as you can see, it's base here now. It's FaceFusion, so we're on FaceFusion environment. After that, you need to copy the installation file from the Git. So just hit this git clone http this link and press enter. Then it will go in like this. And it will be copied. After that, you just need to go to the FaceFusion where it has been copied. And then, for the installation, just hit Python install. -1x1 then default. Then it will download the necessary files. For the installation and collect the packages, it will take some time. Just wait some minutes. The installation has been started. So if you ever see this frozen-like image, then it's not frozen. It's getting information and downloading the resources needed for the installation. So just have some patience. Eat some snacks or have some workout. It will get installed. It's very easy, as you can see. Once you get hang of it, you won't face any problems. So if you have any problems regarding the process I have told already, you can always comment down below the error or the problem you are facing, and I can easily reply with you the solution. So there is just some walk around here. So it's downloading and installing the NumPy 2.2.4. Now it's on X. Now it's on X. Successfully uninstalled 2.2.4. As you can see here, it's actually first installed the 2.2.4, then downloaded on X this one. So since it's not compatible with NumPy 2.2.2, 2.2.4, then it's again started installing 2.3.4. So it will install and uninstall based on the requirement. So you just need to see what it's installing to get hang of it. Let's just wait few more minutes. So I'll show you the screen when it's done already. Okay. So after successfully installing the FaceFusion with your command prompt, so now you need to deactivate. So I haven't activated it yet. So what you need to do is to restart your FaceFusion environment. So just type conda deactivate. It will deactivate the environment and again activate. So conda activate FaceFusion, right? FaceFusion, and then it will. So after reactivating the conda environment, FaceFusion environment, you need to go to the correct path where you've downloaded the FaceFusion. So I've downloaded for that change directory. So I guess my files are in Documents, PPS and FaceFusion, I guess. Oh yeah, so since I'm in the correct folder where my FaceFusion was installed, then I would type python facefusion.py, which is actually the run file name. So I will hit run, and the command will run, and then a link will be available. Where? Which is the virtual IP address where our FaceFusion runs. So as you can see this, so just copy this link and hit on your browser, and then you're ready to go. As you can see, Face Swapper, Face Enhancer. So in this way you can install the FaceFusion app. Thank you. Thank you. This is much for today's lessons. So don't forget to hit the like, hit share, and don't forget to subscribe for more informative video and installation of different tools, AI tools regarding the face swapping. So thank you guys, have a good day.